Hello and welcome to part 2 of the Supreme Machine tutorial. Today we will be going over how to use the Auto Tasks feature. The Auto Tasks feature is meant to be used when you are unable to be at your computer during drop time. When adding keywords for an item, the keyword searcher should work just fine with only one word. We will start with creating a task for this item, the racing soccer jersey. For this item we can take racing, and that should work fine as our keyword. If we want to add multiple keywords for an item, we simply just add a space and add the second keyword, like so, racing soccer. We do not add a comma, as commas are used for adding multiple items to an auto task, which we will go over later in the video. After we have inputted our positive keyword, we have the option for adding a negative keyword. This negative keyword will be used to search through all the items found by the positive keyword and make sure that the items does not match that negative keyword. We then move on to adding our item color. For this we will enter multicolor. Then our desired size of medium. We then enter our item category. For the racing soccer jersey, the category will be tops/sweaters. Now moving on to options. Here's where we can select any color, any size, or both. Selecting any color will allow the task to select a random color if the desired color you entered in the color input is unavailable. Selecting any size will allow the task to select a random size if your entered size is unavailable. Moving on, this select is used to determine if you would like the task to move to checkout and purchase if it is unable to add to cart all the items. Selecting checkout all will allow the task to go to checkout and purchase if all items have been added to cart. Selecting checkout any will allow the task to go to checkout and purchase anyway if not all items were added to cart. Then we select our billing profile. After selecting our billing profile, we can set an add to cart and checkout delay. Setting an add to cart delay will make the task wait to press the add to cart button after selecting the size, and the ACO or auto checkout delay input will make the task wait before pressing the process payment button when checking out. Both these inputs are set for milliseconds. That means if you would like the delay to be 1 second, you would enter 1000. After we have set our desired delays, we then set a date and time we would like the task to start. Pressing the Add Task button will create the task, and you will see a countdown timer that logs at the end of the date and time you set for the task to start. Now I will show you how to add multiple items to an auto task. To add multiple items to a task, we simply add a comma and add the data for our next item. We will be adding another item to our original task that we created. We will add these black boxers to our task. To our positive keywords, we will add a comma and add the keyword boxer. In color, we will add a comma and add the color black. We will then add size medium as our desired size and add accessories as the boxers category. For the options, we would also like to add both of the options. We cannot select it twice, so we just add a comma, copy and paste the both text. Now this auto task will add the racing soccer jersey to cart first, then we'll add the boxers and go to checkout. We can add another item via our drop list feature. Here, we press the Load Drop List button, and it will load the latest drop list. Once we find an item we would like to add to our task, we can press the Create button, and a pop-up will appear where we can add our desired item. We will start with adding the ARC logo water short. Here we can select the item color, size, and options, as well as the item's category. The drop list feature will usually load the item name, colors, sizes, and category for us, but from time to time the item's colors and or sizes will be unavailable. In this case, we can assume a color from the pictures or check our release information in the Supreme Machine Discord. The item full name will usually be loaded here, which we will use as our positive keywords. We then select our color, size, and options. And we then press the Add Item button, and the item will be automatically added to our inputs. We can add an infinite amount of items to our auto task as long as we remember to add the commas. Now we reset the time and add our newly edited task. Thank you for watching.